Nice.
Oh, that's too far.
Anybody been on a horse in Canada? Two of us. All right, so the experience that you were on a horse before, did you go fast or slow? Fast. So with any horseback riding commercially within Canada anyway, they're gonna be gentle rides. We're not gonna go crazy. We're gonna follow the trail with the horses. You don't get to go like stunt double. You don't get to like jump over fences and stuff like that. Only in the movies or if you have your own horse. Team. Oh, he's in the other group. I think he's the only one. Thank you. What kind of? Good. Not sure. Yeah, don't point it. I don't know where. Skate park's down there.
Yeah. Nice. Oh my god.
Hit the tree, nice. There?
Oh, that's too far.
Yeah, okay. So it's gonna take probably 4 or 5 shots.
Oh.
Yay.
I don't have it. It would just be the lesson on. Across this crossroads here. I think nobody knows what you're like, but you can share.
What's her name? Willow. So you got Maya, the big one. Nevada, Willow, Cookie, Shay, Misty, Electra, and then Tulip.
Electra, that's a good name.
She used to be a barrel racer.
Okay.
She's nice and chilled now.
Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna have definitely sort of better pictures after today. Some people have spent the whole time just having like a photo shoot.
Oh, I know. It's pretty cute.
Yeah.
Okay, you've got lovely long legs, so let's see. All the way to the top there for me.
Okay.
Left foot into here, left hand here. You're going to stand straight up, swing that right leg round, and you're going to sit gently in the seat. Nice, good job. Those stirrups are pretty good.
Yeah.
And then...
Hello.
Lean forward, coming up this hill. Good job, guys. Just find a parking spot in the arena.
Okay.
Never head. Bring her that way. Perfect.
Stand up, bring your right leg behind you, and I'll guide your boot down, okay? There we go. Good job.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed.
And then you're going to stand up. And then you're going to stand up, lean forward, and then make your foot off the floor.
Liar and touched it. It was.
And he's like, oh my god, biting other.
Yours is biting.
You're biting, bro.
So mine.
I have proof. I recorded it. I'll-
Okay, so this is little G, or baby G as you call her, because she's small. Okay, so over here we've got our kit bag detail. Use like baby oil for the tail and the mane, so it's easier for it to. What order we use all of this stuff, and what they're used for.
This one I have saved.
Basically, what this does, it gets the dirt out of the hair, so we right, but it's on the top.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep going like that. All around. So they're a bit spiky, but
Okay.
they're completely rubber. If you want to hold them, touch, they're like, they won't hurt them at all. Gets the dirt out. Yeah, so like, you won't give them like a pop. Like, you give them a shot. Like, right? They go back on the field. Like, they'll get dirty, they'll get dirty.
You want to try?
Enough time.
Yeah.
Get all the hooves. Give it a brush. That's done. You have to do that before.